Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given the cumulative frequency curve of 600 apartment of their floor area. Okay, use the curve to find the 30th percentile and the 90th percentile. So for part A, the first thing that I will want to find is the 30th percentile. I would then need to find where is the position on the cumulative frequency. Therefore, I multiply by this 600 apartment to give me 180, and that's where I know. Now, if I zoom in to the cumulative frequency, and this is the point. This is where 180 is. And from here, I can then find the 30th percentile. What is the floor area? 65 meter square. Alright, so that is for 30th percentile. Next, it will be the 90th percentile. And so, for the 90th percentile, again, I'm going to repeat it. I need to know where is the position at the cumulative frequency. So 90% multiplied by 600 to give me 540. That's not the answer, but that is merely my position. That means if I zoom in here, that's where my 540 is. And so from here, I will then be able to get my 90th percentile, which is 98. And so that is the answer for my 90th percentile. 98 meter square. Explain briefly what's the meaning or what the 90th percentile in this question implies. Well, it simply means that this 90% of the apartment, which is 540 of this apartment, right? Their floor area is less than or equals to 98 meter square. Okay? That's one way to look at it. Another way to look at it though is 10% of this apartment then is more than 98 meter square. Okay, so there are two parts to this particular answer, which I'm going to highlight. So the 90th percentile simply means, this is the keyword, 90% are equal to or less than 98 meter square. Another way you can think of it is, you can also say 10% of the apartment, the area, the floor areas are more than 98 meter square. Okay, with that we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.